Hi everyone! It's me time. It's Sunday and I used to do this during Saturday or Sunday. Yun yung aking me time. So what I am using, I do apply the volcanic mud mask. Ayan. So I've been using this. Actually, ilang taon ko nang gamit ito eh. Ang dami pa rin, 'di ba? Matipid siya talaga. And ilang taon na to? More than 2 years ko na yatang gamit ito. So, ito, in-apply ko siya. I usually do this parang every 2 weeks, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. Pero, ngayon, ang tagal ko nang hindi gumamit nito, nakakalimutan ko siya. And at night, I use cleanser, no, nasa banyo siya. Ayun, ina-apply ko yan, no. Ang ganda ng cleanser. You have to just to rub in your face pagka gabi without oil kasi siya oil base, so para maalis yung kung ano mang mga nilagay mo sa face mo. And then after that, spray ako ng aqua, ayan, toner. Ini-spray ko lang siya. I don't use anything, no, kung i-rub mo siya, but I just using my hand kasi nga sensitive yung skin ko, kaya hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng mga anything before. But when I discover this, okay siya kasi hindi ako rashes, ayan. And sinusunod ko yung serum. So we have the serum and then we have this refining eye cream kasi before may mga lines na ako dito. So yun, gumamit ako nito, nawala ang aking mga wrinkles. Ayan. So, before kasi may mga wrinkles na ako dito pag nag-smile ka. So, ayan, nadala siya nito. And then the last one, I have to apply for the moisturizer. Ayan. So, yun ang ginagamit ko. I usually use this itong dalawang ito sa morning din, toner at saka serum. But at night, yan, ito yung gamit ko. Ayan. So, maybe you are asking, maybe this is expensive, no? Niredeem ko lang po ito. As a member of the company, nare-redeem namin to sa aming mga loyalty redeem points. So, instead of buying, we always have way for us to get free for ourselves. So, and we can share this, no? A lot of products that I got, no? I do share that. Sinishare ko po yun. So, we should be, of course, no? We have to pamper ourselves at the same time. We have to blessing to others. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you have any questions, you can message me and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you so much.